On April 1st, 2014, two Dutch students, Lizanne Froon and Chris Kramers, waved goodbye to the family hosting them during their long-planned trip to Panama and walked off with the family dog for a hike along the Baru volcano. They posted on Facebook and they were going to walk the Bouquet before tackling the hiking trail. That evening, the host family noticed the dog traipsing back into the house, but there was no sign of the two young women. Assuming they may have decided to stay overnight on the trail, the family waited until morning. However, when they discovered that Chris and Lizanne never showed up to their private walking tour of Bouquet, the family immediately contacted the police. Chris and Lizanne's parents arrived in Panama 5 days later and waited anxiously for the news of their children as police and detectives scoured the forest for about 10 days. It took 10 weeks for a break in the case. A local woman turned up to the police station with a blue backpack she found on the riverbank of the Boca del Toros region. Inside the backpack were Lizanne's passport, sunglasses, 2 pairs of bras, a water bottle, and some cash. Police also found a camera and both girls' cell phones in the backpack. When they scrolled through the phones, they found that there were about 77 attempts to call the police and emergency services in Panama and the Netherlands. Due to the lack of signal in the area, these calls did not go through. On one of the phones, they found several photos of the trail and surrounding forest. There were also photos taken on April 8th of the girls' belongings scattered over some rocks, and a disturbing photo of the back of Chris's head showing blood streaming from her temple. 2 months later, bones were found in the forest. DNA tests confirmed that the bones belonged to the 2 missing girls. Later in 2014, they were publicly declared dead of a hiking accident. Police never found out how they died or if someone was responsible for their deaths.